Hey guys, Tom Dempsey here with 41 Action News. Today we are in Riverside bringing you the story of a former business that's now facing claims of animal neglect. The name of the business was Street Cats Rescue, and it occupied this storefront that you see behind me. Of course, it's now a barber shop, but last summer it operated in that space that you see behind me. According to these court documents that you see me holding here, some people complained about the conditions inside. One of the managers, Susan Gable's, facing claims that she hoarded the cats. There's claims that around 50 cats were inside the business and some pretty bad conditions, including just horrible odors coming from the business, odors of feces and urine. We spoke to a smoke shop next door, and they say they had to light 9 candles just to kind of defeat the smell from this business. So fast forward to today, Susan Gable, again, as we said, the manager of that Street Cats Rescue, is now facing charges of not having the proper licensing to run the business, and plus fighting the claims of failing to provide adequate care to the cats that were inside the business. She's expected to be in court to answer to some of these charges in May.